Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the best tools and products to help you make informed decisions. Today, we're reviewing the DEWALT titanium nitride coated drill bit set, Pilot Point, 21-piece. This is widely regarded as the best drill bit set, offering titanium-coated multi-purpose bits that are durable, efficient, and versatile for all your drilling needs. The DEWALT DW1361 set comes with 21 different bits, each with a titanium nitride coating that extends the life of the bits and enhances their performance. The titanium coating helps reduce friction, making drilling smoother and more efficient, especially when working with tough materials like metal, plastic, and wood. This set is ideal for anyone looking to take on a variety of drilling tasks, from DIY home improvements to professional projects. The set includes sizes ranging from 1/16 inch to 1/2 inch, ensuring you have the right tool for a wide array of tasks. One of the standout features of this set is its Pilot Point technology. This ensures the bits start on contact, providing cleaner holes and reducing the chance of wandering. This means that you can work with more precision, whether you're drilling into wood, metal, or plastic. The Pilot Point also ensures the bits won't spin out, which helps to increase safety and control. The DEWALT drill bits are designed with no spin shanks, which means they will stay securely in place in your drill, minimizing the risk of slippage or accidents. In addition, the tapered web design adds durability and reduces the likelihood of breakage under pressure. Whether you're working with a power drill or a manual one, these bits will stay in perfect working condition for a long time. Another great feature is the compact and tough plastic case that comes with the set. The case keeps all the bits organized, making it easy to find the right one when you need it. Whether you're working on a quick fix around the house or tackling a large project, the DEWALT drill bit set ensures you can carry your tools without the hassle of searching through a messy toolbox. The versatility of these bits cannot be overstated. They are engineered to perform in a variety of materials, making them perfect for woodworking, metalworking, construction, and more. The high-speed steel construction combined with the titanium coating makes these bits capable of handling demanding tasks without breaking down. The DEWALT DW1361 set is an investment that will pay off over time. Whether you're an amateur DIYer or a seasoned professional, having a quality set of drill bits can make all the difference in the precision and quality of your work. This set is not only competitively priced but also offers exceptional performance and durability, making it a must-have for anyone serious about drilling. In conclusion, the DEWALT titanium nitride coated drill bit set, Pilot Point, 21-piece is a top choice for anyone who needs reliable, long-lasting drill bits. From its titanium coating to its durable design, it provides everything you need for clean, precise drilling every time. So, if you're looking for a set that can handle all your drilling tasks, this set is the one to get. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more product reviews. See you in the next one.